Lightning link kits are antibody and protein labeling kits that allow you to directly label your primary antibodies, protein or peptides. The procedure is easy to use, requires 30 seconds hands-on time, and doesn't involve spin or separation steps. In this video, we will demonstrate how to label your antibody using one of our Lightning Link rapid kits. The kit contains the lyophilized Lightning Link mix, a vial of rapid modifier and a vial of rapid quencher. All you need to do is add 1 microliter of the Lightning Link rapid modifier to every 10 microliters of antibody that you want to label. Then mix this gently. Next, you need to prepare antibody modifier mix into the lyophilized Lightning Link vial. The process takes only 30 seconds. And that's it. Now leave your antibody to incubate for 15 minutes at room temperature in the dark. Then add 1 microliter of rapid quencher for every 10 microliters of antibody used, and conjugate can be used after 4 minutes. With over 40 labels available, Lightning Link kits can be used to directly label primary antibodies, proteins or peptides, and is for use in a variety of applications including ELISA, IHC, flow cytometry and Western blotting, and many other applications.